Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Santosh and my channel name is at AX Santosh. On the channel you will find various videos that you can take a look at that will teach you a lot of things. In this particular video I will teach you a skill for digital marketing specialist job where you do a particular thing to improve your SEO. So let's go ahead and take a look at this job. For example, here we need these qualifications: keyword research, digital marketing, and WordPress. As a digital marketing specialist, your job is to do this, which is search engine optimization. You act as a liaison between SEO team to drive strategy and increase organic search results via keyword research and landing page optimization. I will teach you how to do this. Copy this skill set, go to ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT you just ask it, please teach me this skill. My website, we will do this on video. My website is ecotails. You will put the website name. My website, WordPress website name is this. I will give you this prompt if you want. I will create a page if needed. Okay. Now it will cover basic understanding of SEO, keyword research, landing page optimization, content strategy, and monitoring and analytics. SEO has three components. One is on-page SEO, which are things on your page. Off-page SEO, which are things off your page on the internet. Technical SEO deals with a lot of things that you need to do to optimize your on-page SEO, and also off-page SEO, and sometimes when it comes to site speed and indexing. So first thing that I will teach you is how to set your title tag that appears on Google search results. Log in to your website, WordPress website. Over here, as you can see, this is a very simple website which is running generate scheme. Go to dashboard. On the dashboard, on the left hand side, you see a sidebar where it says posts media. This is called as a sidebar. Go to settings and general. Here on the top you have general settings. Site title. This is where you put your site title. This is the title tag that appears in Google search results. Put a short title over there. My title is Ecotails, and if I open Ecotails, you will see the title on the browser tab. You see Ecotails, it says stories for everyone. That is called as title tag. That is the first on-page SEO item that you complete. Next is meta description. Add short meta description under the title in Google. So if you go back to settings, You have tagline. Please complete the tagline, and here you will explain what the site is about. In my case, it is a stories website which will post stories. So I just say stories for everyone. You can improve this more. If you go to ChatGPT again, if you just open a new prompt, just say meta description for a blog post, and then you can just paste this what you want. Over here, as you can see, it gives you a few things. I will copy this because it looks good to me. Discover inspiring, fun, and unforgettable stories. You can paste that in, and you can do a full stop. Now this will change over here. If you come down, you see a save changes button. Click on it. That will go ahead and update the meta description and the tagline. Over here, you also have reading. Let's check if we have some item that needs to be complete. In reading, always ensure that this is unchecked. There is a checkbox over here where it says search engine visibility. It should be encouraged. It is encouraged to uncheck it so that the search engines can find and honor this request. It will be on pages such as Bing, Yahoo, Google. Alternatively, you can also use plugins to add meta description. We are using a plugin called as used SEO that I have deactivated at the moment. In short, that is how you improve your meta description score. Let's move to the next item. Headings. Organize the content for readers and search engines. Let me create a short story that I will post on the blog. In this short step, I will show you how to create posts. On the left hand side on the sidebar, find post. Click on add a post. What that will do is it will bring up the menu to create the post. Over here, as you can see, you have a post title. Write a short, this is the prompt that we give to the AI. Write a short story. As you can see, it publishes a story called as The Little Seed. Copy the title, add the title to the post. This is how you create the post. The next is the seeds H2. Over here, type to choose a block, you click on the plus mark and you do H2. If it doesn't come, just do H heading and it will add the heading, and over here select H2. The next thing is the lead paragraph. This is called as the lead paragraph. You click on paragraph and then paste this in, and over here we will make this H5. Or I will just leave it as is. You can increase the font size a little bit. This is the general rule. typography large, medium, large, because that is the main thing that shows up when the user comes in. Then we have challenges along the way. You just do this until you are satisfied. For example, this is H2 and you copy and paste this H3. Let's do hash further instead of challenges along the way. Like this, you create content for your pages. This is called as header optimization. Dots and PS. To make this your life a little easier, please give me so that I can copy and paste in WordPress. What you could do is you could ask it to do this and it did this. I will give you this prompt. What you can do now is you can just go ahead and paste this as a HTML block, custom HTML, and you do this. The title is something that you cannot do. So over here, if I click on publish now, and view the post, it will have H1, it will have H2, and all the subheaders. This is how you complete this particular task, wherein we are doing the key elements. We add the title tags, we add the meta description, we add the headings so that it can organize the content for readers and search engines. If you follow this pattern, it will rank you higher on search engines. URL structure is very important when it comes to SEO. Over here you can see that we have the URL structure. After the slash, you have the little seed that could. You could set this explicitly on WordPress. I'll show you where. On the left hand side, when you are on the dashboard, you see settings. You go to writing or reading rather, and actually permalinks, not reading. Over here you see we have permalink structure. You say post name over here so that you get the post name. That is the name of the post that we created. That is how you set up the URL structure. If you want me to make a video that focuses on how to set up the custom structure on WordPress, please let me know. I will make the video. If this video receives about 100 likes, I'll make another video that will cover the post permanent structure that will further improve your SEO. You can put the author name, you can put the category, we can customize it a lot further. Next is internal linking. Link between your own pages to the link between your own pages and posts. So what it means is, for example, over here we have ecotails, we have these posts. This particular post, the little seed that could, can link to another post such as pest or hello world. So that I will show you on a different video because this is beyond the scope of this video. But I can show you, it will take a little bit of time to complete. Let's do it. I will go to pages and all pages. This particular website has one page called as demo. because of which I was not able to show this particular link here. But this process is the same for posts and pages. So I'll show you on posts. If you go to posts and all posts, now I want you to copy one of the URLs over here. For example, hello world. I will copy the link. If you click on view, if you right click on view and copy link address, it will copy the link for that particular post. You go to the post where you want to edit, click on edit, and over here, wherever you want the hyperlink to appear, you select a word. For instance, here I will just add another paragraph and I will say read more articles, and I will close the paragraph tag. I will select the word read more articles. Over here, I will just say HTML. Uh, I will ask ChatGPT to convert this to anchor link. Please make this a tag. So as you can see, what we did is we are linking the post that we created to the article called as test. So let's link it to test for this particular example. I linked it to test, that is the href attribute that will put the link to the test post. I will click on save. If you are using plugins, this is particularly easy. So you can view the page now, and we have a link inserted at the end. Read more articles. If the user clicks, they will land on a different post. This is how you complete the SEO optimization process for a particular website, in this case WordPress. This was a job application, and I use this example to show you how to customize this. If you are interested to work with Word Travel Holding, there is a digital marketing specialist job that is available across the world. You can go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much. You can apply on simplyhire.com. Please subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, like this video, and leave a comment. Tell me what you understood out of this video, or if you have any questions. Also tell me where you are watching this video from so that I can make more videos for your location. Thank you so much.